Hi guys, Sammy Girl and I just got back from a wonderful little vacation excursion to LA, and we're based here in New York. And so we were looking for kind of a nice, comforting, simple dinner. We spent over 10 hours on a plane because we had to get diverted to Boston because of fog and then sit there on the tarmac forever as we were being refueled and wait for the fog to clear and blah, blah, blah. But we got back and we went to the grocery store and we decided to make egg salad sandwiches. So I'm just putting down a bed of romaine. I got my egg salad here. For the egg salad, I just boil some eggs, start with the eggs in cold water covered, bring them up to a boil, let them sit in there for about 10 minutes, remove them, let them cool, peel them, and then chop them up. I used 7 eggs because we made 2 big sandwiches. One for Sammy Girl, one for myself. Then I used a bunch of green onion. We don't really like, not cauliflower, what's the word that I'm looking for? The weird crunchy green things that lots of people put in them. I'll think of it later. But I used a smoked paprika and some salt and some pepper and Kewpie mayo and just some regular like Hellmann's mayo. And a dash, just a little dash of rice vinegar. I'm gonna make this a nice big boy sandwich. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks like enough. And it wouldn't be complete without some hot sauce on it. There we go. All on a beautiful hoagie roll. And you know what, for a side, let's just have nice Vlasic. Got to have your pickle or pickles. And some chips. Let's have some chips, guys. Got some Sun Chips, Harvest Cheddar. That should be good. Oh, we got ourselves a little classic American dinner feast here with a couple little twists. Let's see how it is. And that is a satisfying egg salad. And just the right amount of smokiness and spice from the hot sauce and the smoked paprika. It wants to squirt out a little bit. And I enjoy the crunchiness from the romaine, since, egg salad is a very soft thing. Put a few of these in here. There we go. Do you guys hear the thunder? It's a beautiful stormy night here. And the thing I was thinking of earlier that we don't like in our egg salad is celery. I know it started with a C. It's especially nice on a hot and humid day like today because you can have your egg salad chilled, as I have done after I made it. It's just such a refreshing and easy sandwich to make. Except for the part where I was burning my fingers because I didn't wait long enough to peel the eggs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys get some egg salad ideas. Make your own, put your own twist on it, your own seasonings. Oh, and there's mustard in it. I forgot to mention that. That's kind of important. Put some mustard in it. Or don't. Try whatever you want. It's fun.